Hello， 我係黃 Sir，係啊，今日換咗第二部機，咁所以有少少唔同咗。好，開始咯喎，啲作句唔錯，繼續俾心機，寫嘅量多咗啦，字體端莊咗啦，各位俾心機。好，今日開始教 getting sick。等陣先啊，睇下黃 Sir 教啱個 cam 未先。啱。So getting sick. Do you get sick? The germs are things that can make you sick. Germs 即係啲細菌。所以阿爸阿媽成日叫你唔好亂咁摸嘢係有原因嘅。Germs are things that can make you sick. The germs can get in your body when you breathe. Breathe 琴日教咗咯噃。Breathe and when you eat. The germs can get in your mouth from your fingers too. Some germs get in your body when you get a cut in your skin. Get a cut 即係界損嘅時候 get a cut。咁佢界損一次 get a cut， 界損兩次就 get two cuts。唔希望你 get 好多 cuts。Wash your hands with soap。soap 係番梘，千祈唔好撈亂呢個字喎。呢個字係 soup。soup 咧就飲得嘅 ，soap 咧就唔飲得，亦都唔食得嘅。So we can't eat soap。呢度亦都唔飲得 drink soap。寫低佢啦。And water to get germs off your fingers。咁啊洗手，記得洗手，洗手好似30秒。So wash hands 幾耐要用 for 嘅 ？For 30 seconds。咁譬如打機玩玩具10分鐘，我哋會講 play games for 10 minutes。for 咧係講幾耐嘅，今日要作兩句俾我。OK，for 講幾耐嘅。Wash your hands when it's time to eat and after you go to the toilet。嗱 ，toilet 咧會有對嘅，其實 toilet 唔係好好，我哋用 washroom。washroom 咧就有禮貌啲。toilet 其實係便便嗰嚿嘢坐低，我哋嗰嚿嘢叫大便嗰嚿嘢叫 toilet。咁 toilet 我哋係冇咁有禮貌，所以我哋講 washroom。咁有啲書寫 toilet 咁 toilet 咯。但係如果你去到酒店 ，excuse me，may I go to？excuse me 即係唔好意思 ，excuse me，can I go to the washroom 會好啲啦，因為我可以去 washroom，但係唔去 toilet 㗎嘛。小便唔使去 toilet，男仔 ，right？After you touch animals and after you play outside 就出邊啦，出完街要洗手，入邊係 inside。Stop germs. There are germs in a sneeze. Sneeze 我哋係打乞嗤 ，sneeze。咳咧我哋叫 cough。咳 cough。打乞嗤 sneeze 響音嚟嘅 sneeze。Catch sneezes in a tissue。tissue 即係一張紙巾 ，a tissue。Then throw the tissue into a waste basket。waste basket 係解垃圾桶啦，咁我哋可以轉做 rubbish bin。rubbish bin 或者 bin 都 OK 嘅。OK，so do you get sick？ 圈動詞咯 ，do you get sick？Do you get sick? Germs are things that can make you sick, and germs can get in your body when 有 when 咯 breathe and when you eat. And germs can get in your mouth from your fingers too. And some germs get in your body when you get a cut in your skin. 咁右邊動詞我唔幫你揾咯，試下自己揾。幾耐會用 for？ 唔可以做一樣嘢，又唔可以做一樣嘢，我哋會咁樣寫嘅。今日我哋集中係 for 先。咁我哋今日學咗 washroom 要做一句俾我。OK，sneeze 做一句俾我。係咁多，呢版作句就係咁多。唔該。